One of the most common things I hear from homeowners is this: it's still working. And that sounds reasonable. If the furnace turns on, if the house is warm, why think about it? But still working isn't a strategy. It's a snapshot. It tells you the system works today. It tells you nothing about how stable it is. Furnaces don't usually send a formal warning before they fail. They age gradually. They lose efficiency gradually. Risk increases gradually. And then one cold snap compresses everything. If you're planning to stay in your home 5 years or more, the question isn't whether it works today. The question is whether it's predictable. Working and stable are not the same thing. The goal isn't to replace something that works. The goal is to avoid replacing something under pressure. That's a different conversation. Stay comfortable, but please, stay tuned.